fuck? I'm not talking about you spending the night, dude.
Nigga, oh, that's what.
That's not the fuck I'm talking about.
Oh, you
Fuck you spending
gotta
the
walk
night.
home.
Alright? Your house is not far.
Yeah.
Your house not that
Shut
far
up,
from
bitch.
ours.
My house is fucking downtown.
No, it's not, dude. Well, like, it's closer to
Black guy
my...
getting mad because he has to walk.
Yeah, cause I don't like fucking walking, dude. Alright, this isn't fucking summer 2007 when me and him used to walk everywhere. We too, the fucking library and shit. We had no fucking life. We had no fucking friends.
You had no friends?
No, we had each other. That's the fuck that we had. Each other in the fucking library.
We had
We lost earphones every time, so we had to buy for $1. Remember that shit?
Dude, I remember that shit, dude.
Yeah, I'm like, what the fuck?
Dude, we were like ghetto
Hell
kids.
yeah, dude.
Yeah, we go, oh, you got your earphone and shit.
Coming to the library and shit.
You go to McDonald's and water comes and shit.
Yeah, dude, I remember
Wait
that
on the bus.
shit.
Go to the library without hard popping shit like shit cool.
Who's that happy turkey? Who's that happy turkey? There's a fly on your eye.
This is stupid.
I'm trying to make a laugh. He's sad. Who's a pig? Jesus. Make out with me.
Man.
The birthday girl.
I'm fucking pissed. Fucking chill. Damn, dude.
When's great granddad?
Why every time I get in predicaments like this, I don't have any fucking weed?
Where's your uncle at with the
Seriously.
He's going to Pizza
I
Hut.
never.
on
Ah,
Friends.
order that shit.
That's good.
Fuck. I said order that shit.
What's he gonna roll there?
Huh?
Does he roll there?
He's a car.
He's a car?
The white
He's
car.
a motor, don't he?
Alright, roll it.
Are you videotaping?
Strap, bitch.
Dude, put it on you
Fuck
put it on
my
Facebook.
life.
Camera freak
Seriously,
out.
fuck my life. I fucking hate
I want
you.
to fall out, but these bugs are gonna eat me.
Dude, I want to go lay on that thing over there, but I don't want to get eaten up.
Dude, what the fuck?
You don't want to get eaten up.